हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल। माय नेम इज़ मसी खान। सो कैसे आप सब लोग, आशा करता हूँ आप सभी बहुत अच्छे हो। टुडे आई एम गोना शो यू द एंटिक पीस ऑफ स्टार एंटरप्राइजेस फर्नीचर which is the master bedroom chairs. As you can see here, it is totally carved in the Sheesham wood, the natural Sheesham finish. The high gloss PU we have used in this unit, and sitting you can see the PU leather, and the center you can see one stool also for putting the things, and 18 by 18 inch stool we have used, and you can see the back side totally carved in the chameli designs. The four legs we have used in this chair, and this is very beautiful and antique chairs. If you are looking for your bedroom some antique things, so you can choose this design, and we have lots of design I already uploaded on the YouTube, and we have uploaded more than 290 videos till now. And if you are looking for this kind of antique pieces for your house, we can make that for you, because we make these furniture in the highest quality Sheesham, that's called the Nigam Sheesham, and we always use the highest material in our furnitures. If you are really interested in the high quality furniture, then you have to choose the Star Enterprises, and we will make that for you, and we will provide you the delivery all over India and the abroad also. आपको सिर्फ हमारे ऊपर लिखे नंबरों पर कांटेक्ट करना, हम आपको बना कर देंगे। तो आशा करता हूँ आपको ये वीडियो बहुत पसंद आएगा। ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए। तो मैं फिर हाजिर होऊंगा एक नई वीडियो के साथ। तब तक के लिए विदा लेता हूँ। बाय बाय, धन्यवाद, टेक केयर।